It's a 2018 INFINITI Q50. This sedan is unparalleled in its intuitive control and efficiency while still retaining so much power and stunning good looks. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, voice activation, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver calls the swoopy Q50 a tech buff's dream, boasting more extras than an Apple Store. For a distinctive life, you need a distinctive vehicle. INFINITI. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.